Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review cloud-based products, info products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing software product, a traffic product from the great affiliate Mbadiwe, and it's called Heroo. Heroo is going live on the 11th of June 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. thereabout Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is around 4 p.m. Central European Time, and of course 3 p.m. British GMT. Okay, now in a nutshell, this is a product that's going to help you drive traffic from 700 different sources, and it's a one-click software that will help you drive such a traffic to any offer of your choice or to any link of your choice. That could be affiliate marketing link, and of course any other link whatsoever, or your blog page or whatever, Swiss page, whatever that you need traffic driven to. This is a software that the creator Mbadiwe said is going to be capable of doing that, and that you will stand to make around $39 for every hour you use these very products. How true that one is, I wouldn't tell you, of course, until we go into more details with this. Now, if this is a product you would like to have, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which is this. And then when you arrive here, you will click this red button up here, and of course any of the other green buttons scattered all over this bonus page. When you do that, it will take you to the sales page of this one, where you use this discount coupon to get a discount of $4 from the front end price, which means you have it $4 less than the original price of the front end. And now with that said, if you stick with me, I will show you also the amazing dashboard area and show you exactly how this works, so that you can make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But if traffic is your resolve and traffic is your problem, as long as making money online, after all, without traffic there is no making money. So this is going to be one product that you may decide to try. Okay, that is basically up to you. Now with that said, I will show you the amazing information I have for you. These are my bonuses that I have for you, which are lined up here. Here you have the 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. My bonus number 2 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, the crazy hack, and of course number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast, and number 4, how to create free professional websites, and of course all the vendor bonuses for this very product. When you do click any of these links, like I told you, it's going to take you to the sales page. When you do, you will be able to use this very pop-up, to use this link to claim your discount, and of course get the product. And when you do, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to 2 buttons. This one gives you access to the amazing product, and this one below it will give you access to my bonuses. And of course, with that said, you will be able to pick up these bonuses and of course all the vendor bonuses as well. Now let us talk about the pricing for this one. The front end, as you can see, goes for $17 minus the $4 you have here as discount. You have it for $13 thereabout. Okay, so that is basically what you have, and this very front end will give you access to this very dashboard area, which you become a member of and be able to go through the training and use all the 700 sources and traffic, image and video traffic, and everything you have there, which we are going to go through more in details as we proceed. Now this is front end $17 minus $4. You have it for $13, and here upsell number 1 will give you unlimited edition of this, which goes for $97. And this unlimited edition of Heroo allows customers to enjoy unlimited usage and unlimited traffic, free traffic, and of course more. But upsell number 2 will be done for you setup, which goes for $297. Upsell number 3 will be autopilot edition for $39. Everything is automated, just like my first bonus for you there. And upsell number 4 will be $200 done for you campaign edition, and of course upsell number 5 will be franchise edition, which goes for $197. And this very done for you $200 done for you campaigns edition goes for $39. And with that, you have all these as some of the benefits you have for this one. You get free traffic, and it's one-click app, the first of its kind on Warrior Plus, and in demand and hot right now. Of course, experience sales daily and the easiest system for now. Okay, and it has 30-day money-back guarantee, and this is of course what you will have here on my bonus page, which you will have access to when you click that link below in my description area. Now let us look at the members area, the software itself, and see how this works. Okay, now here you have the training. This is where you actually get the training that you need to get this set up properly and begin to profit from the capabilities the creator has said is going to give you, and then you will be able to make use of it and begin to drive traffic to your programs and to your products and to your offers and links, and that, as you know, translates to making money online. Okay, so this is basically what you have as this tutorial. Here you have the latest deals which you are going to have access to, and 700 sources, image traffic, and this is where you use image to drive traffic, and there has to be probably a call to action button where you embed your affiliate link and use these 700 sources to drive traffic to that very link, and that will translate into getting the clicks that you need to actually make money online. And here is the video traffic, and here you have the shortener for this very one, and of course you will be able to make use of this if eventually you drive traffic to this very issue. Now, with that said, you have basically to go through this training and set this one up. Once you do that, you have also email marketing capabilities, autoresponder. You have basically everything you need, as long as using this traffic, 700 sources in a business that is worth about 1.1 trillion, as the creator says, and you will be able to make use of this one to drive that traffic that you will actually need to make money online. Okay, so with that said, we will be able to now see a little bit of the very sales page where I showed you before, where you get discount on the front end. With that said, you have access to it, and you'll be able to read for yourself and see if this one is going to be one you are going to need to actually make ends meet online. So, like I told you, it's a one-click auto drives free traffic from 700 sources in 60 seconds, probably more than 60 seconds. That makes you that $9 per hour. Okay, so that is basically what you have, and you have all the income proofs for this very product with 3 basic steps, which you are going to get a wind of when you get through the training that I showed you on the front end dashboard area. Okay, so that is basically all you have here. Let's see if we can relocate the very bonuses that I have for you from the vendor, so that you go through this at your convenience and see how you can use this instrument to drive traffic to your offers, to your links, which of course you know translates to making money online. When you did this, get the buyer traffic that will give you the clicks that you make use to make money online. So these are all the information you have, which you're going to read through when you get here at your convenience. Now, the bonus number 1 from the vendor will be Heroo free bonus number 1. Get results in the first 5 minutes. Bonus number 2, 3 ways they bank fast with Heroo. Bonus number 3, 2022 year-end bundle. Bonus number 4 will be customer-only live orientation call. Bonus number 5 will be how we scale Heroo to 10K a month. So that's basically what you have. And like I told you before, it has 30-day money-back guarantee, which means for any reason or without any reason this product you want to return it, definitely you'll be able to do so and get your refund, of course, free of charge and in complete amount. Now, with that said, if you are new to my channel, I would encourage you to actually like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. This is where we call it shots on this one, and I will make sure I come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is still your Mike of Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye.